Hey Blessed friends, welcome back to another new video. Today we're gonna go plant shopping at a local big box store. I'm currently posting a bunch of shopping videos for y'all because these are super fun, and I promised I was gonna post 7 plant shopping videos in a row. I believe this is the 3rd or the 4th one. So if you don't want to miss the other ones, consider tapping the subscribe button down below so you can join us in this crazy planty journey. And I'm so excited, you guys. I'm literally I don't know why. These stores are having some really good stuff. And by the way, I am going to local nurseries. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go plant shopping. Okay, you guys. So they have a lot of boxes. And I don't know if they got lazy, so they just opened the boxes for us, but it's still pretty fun. Baltic blues for 20. They're just so freaking pretty. Mine's outside right now. It's literally struggling. I think it wants to get repotted. These are $20, by the way. Yeah, I think it wants to get repotted. It's getting longer, but the leaves are turning yellow. They got a lot of global greens. It's already getting picked out. I got them in. These look so good though. One of my favorite photos. Mine's doing so good, so I had to get another one. And then I got another one for a discount for $10. So I got 3 global greens. My boyfriend and we call these lightning, the little white stripes or whatever. This is dirty, but this is the little white marks. Here we have a bunch of Dracaenas, which are so freaking pretty. And then over here we have some different Bacchias. Pretty fun. And there's a neon photos, which is for $14.98. So pretty. And we got some ravens. Some ZZs. And then in these 2 boxes is a bunch of Dracaenas or Lucky Bamboos. These are for $5 each. It's a little bit expensive. Oh my god, they have grow lights. I didn't even know they sold grow lights. So I already opened the box, but pretty fun. Seeds, bulbs for people that want to see bulbs. These quick orchids. And we got some Baltic blues, some beautiful Chinese evergreens. I know these are called Silver Bay. And then these are ravens. And these are more different Bacchias. These are watermelon peperonias. Oh my god. These leaves look so good. These are $20. Some pineapple plants. I think they're pineapple. $14.98. And then we got the hurricanes. Which are so freaking fun. Sorry about my language, but these are really cool. These. $19.98. It's pretty cool. Pepperoni frost.
No, that was laying on the floor.
For 20. It's a really cool Sansevieria. Brazilian bulbs. Pretty cool. These are pretty too. Oh wait, these are so cool. These. I tried to grow them last time, but nothing came out. It's pretty sad. But they got the mojitos, you guys. I think I might try. I don't know, because every time I buy these bulbs, nothing ever comes out. But these are so freaking cool. This one's pretty cool too. Black Magic. But I grow them, but nothing comes out. It makes me so sad. But this was like worth it, right? So like for $7.98 for like one plant, so that's not bad. I don't know. I hope I can see them. Like, I hope they sell them already grown. It seems pretty easy, but they never come out. These are the most beautiful stems I've ever seen. Hawaii Punch. I grew this one, and this one, and nothing came out. They just rotted. But it's probably my fault. More bottom Bromeliads, pineapples. More hurricanes, bonsais, golden photos, more bonsais. Look at these golden photos, you guys. So pretty. Green heart philodendron, 27. Now look at this orchid. They also have some trust or stramantes. Oh my god, look at this one. I think it's an outside plant, but a little hurricane.
We're working hard trying to find a plant, huh?
I'm sorry?
We're working hard trying to find a plant.
Yes.
Even though it's as long as that.
Yes. This one's really pretty too. Really nice Drancina. 16. Wait, this is different. These are $14.98. Yeah. Look, I have so many orchids. Vanda orchids, Catalaya orchids. It's so pretty. Look at this purple one. Some, I think they're called palms, sago palms. A dyed orchid. We always have like so many orchids. This is a really pretty one too. Sansevieria. I just love snake plants, so I already know that. And look at these flowers. They're just so pure and white. I mean, the other ones are pretty too, but like, I don't know. I think it's really, really pretty. Francinas. You see Pepperoni Frost. Really pretty. Outside. A lot of fun money trees. I already checked, like, there's nothing that's variegated, but they're still really, really cool. A lot of African violets for people that love African violets. Oh my god, they're so pretty. A lot of people say like these are pretty easy to look after. They're just a little bit finicky on watering. They don't like water on their leaves, but a self-watering pot should solve a lot of those problems. So one of these days I'll buy some self-watering pots and grow these. Just so pretty. This one has like it's white, but it has like a blush of blue. Oh my god, you guys, wait. Wait, this is cute. I've never seen that before. Wait, that's really beautiful. I wonder if they need a lot of humidity too. I've never seen one like this before. It's stunning. I see some calatheas. $12.98. Pretty fun. Some more golden potos, aglaminias. Some polka dot plants. I love the pink and the red. Really, really pretty. A China doll. Beautiful for $4.98. Dark Mystery Pilea. Oh no, Pan Am. $4.98. This is pretty cool. I had one, but it started getting very leggy, and I just didn't like it. God, look at these Made in Her ferns, you guys. $6.98. So beautiful. Some crotons, which I'm very tempted to grow some in the balcony. Ivies, begonias. I saw this one. It's pretty cool. It's like a fern. They say it's beautiful home decor, but looks really cool. $6.98. Beautiful begonias. Like, damn, look at this leaf. Isn't it so stunning? They got so many. They also have like a bunch of Arisonias for $14.98. I remember when those were so difficult to find and very expensive for some cuttings. And now I'm not getting confused over the oblique. I know the oblique was very expensive, but the Swiss cheese, the Arisonii, was also very difficult to find back then. Now you can find them for so cheap, which is literally amazing. I just wish they can stay like this forever. But like if you don't give it something to climb on, they get smaller and smaller and smaller, which I do not like the look of. Beautiful peace lily from Urban Jungle. A ZZ, kind of cute. Madagascar tree for $17.98. Robert's Foot Fern for $19.98. Beautiful Bromeliad, like Lord have mercy. $25. Like, wow. I think bromeliads are so pretty. Look at those colors. Hurricanes. Oh, this one's pretty cool. I don't know. Oh, it's in a cluster farm pot. This is from Urban Jungle, but it's like a bird's nest fern, except I don't know, I've never seen this before. It's like more wild and like more rounded. I like it a lot. I've never seen this guy. It's an outside plant. What is it? That's weird. Pretty fun. I love these pots. It's Birkins. A bunch of air plants. Neon potos. $27. So like I want to get one of these baskets. Lots of peace lilies too. I want to get one of these baskets, but I want to put it like in the balcony. It's $27. So freaking cool. Okay. Let me go show you guys the trust instruments. Damn, there's so many colors. This is pretty. I love hydrangeas. Oh, this was a beautiful color. It's like purple and blue. Early blue hydrangea. $20. Okay, they have these really fun. Y'all see the truss instruments? They're literally the most biggest pots. This is a Foxhole Asparagus Fern. And those are the flowers. Can you see those flowers? But these are $65, but they're huge. I mean, like, I think it's a pretty fair price. Like, look at this one. This one looks really healthy. Like, holy crap. Okay, they have the small. Trust Instrumenties for $10.98 for this, which is not bad. You know, these are really expensive. I'm pretty sure like back then like they were even really expensive, but if you pay double, you get these massive, humongous. Like, this is my foot. Like, Trust Instrumenties. I love how this looks. And there's like damage, but it's beautiful. Oh my god, it's so heavy. For $19.98, like, are you kidding? I've also seen, this is a big leaf. I've seen these in the zoo in San Antonio, Texas. So I think we can use it in the landscape. I mean, they're outside, which means you can grow these in San Antonio, Texas. So that'd be really, really pretty. They have these really fun alocasias. Beautiful. Let me show you the price. They're $19.98. California elephant ears. Very, very fun. You see a bird of paradise. Pretty sure it's enjoying like the natural light. They got some Trader Skintias as well. You guys, they have a lot of plants on discount. They have these lemon trees. They're $20, but it's 50% off, so they're $10. You guys, if I had a house, I'll buy like 20 of these. Like, you think I'm playing, but I'm not. We love lemons, and like Mexicans, me as a Mexican, we eat lemons like on a daily. We put it on everything, like on fruits and caldos and just, oh, and then lemonade. Oh, this is $22.98, but it's still a really good price. Like, it makes me jealous. So for those who have a house, cause like, that's a really good deal. Look at those flowers. That's gonna be coming to a lemon. Look, that's already a lemon. Those are got fiddles. These are $15. I think these are like little. Okay, so they're not advertised as like houseplants. They're advertised as like outdoor plants, which is really, really interesting. I love to see fiddle outside. They got hanging baskets. They're all $10. There's a bunch of ivies. But there's also this ficus, or is it fig? What do you call it? Yeah, ficus. That looks pretty good for $10. Like, I'm not really into these because these need water like no one's business, but this in the balcony, that's not bad. Also a teddy bear vine for $10. You got a Maria Syngonium. I don't know how much those are. I know they're not 50% off. And that's basically it, you guys. Pretty good location. Look at these petunias. Beautiful. And more asparagus ferns for $17.98. This would be a really good price if they're like 50% off. Alrighty, Plenty friends, I hope you enjoyed it. So this is a new video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up to let me know something positive I see each and every single one of you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!